Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I'll show you a tutorial about how to pre-order materials before confirming a sales order. In the real world, the material requisition always faces a problem in the shipping time. So, we need to pre-order the material before sales order confirmation. Okay, let's start signing into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions, then click the Sales block, and click the Sales Order block to go to the order interface. For example, here the sales order document numbers 39, 40, 41 are created before we take them as a pre-order document. Let's open one of sales order SO number 41 to check the order information. There has one item in order. Okay, let's go to Combine Pre-BOM section to consolidate these orders. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions, then click the Sales block, and click the Combined Pre-BOM block to go to the order interface. Let's import the pre-order sales order. Go to the top right corner, click the option, then click Import, and then click the Sales Order option. Select the date to any date, and then click Button to search. Select the 3 pre-order sales orders, and then click the button to import the data. Select blank option to ignore the orders to reference none. Okay, the items are imported. Let's go to Material Item tab to check out the material list. Now, we can delete unnecessary items and keep the requested materials on each product. For example, we keep the material BD001 and delete out of others. Okay, the next tab is Reminders, but it's not available until an order is created. The next tab is Upload, where you can upload relevant documentation files related to the order. After that, we can save the order and get a new order number. The materials now is consolidated, but not ready. We need to set up a looking warehouse to let it valid to compare which inventory. So, we go to the first tab to set the warehouse. Click here to select the target warehouse. For example, the CPL Material Warehouse. Okay, let's approve the order. Then, we go to preview the printout. This is the printout. It separates 2 parts, and the top is a quantity summary of items. And the following is a quantity required on different orders. Okay, we can now go to MRP section to check out the inventory status, and generate a purchase requisition. Okay, start to MRP operation. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Material Planning, then click the Pre-Material Planning to go to the Pre-Order MRP interface. Click the Order BOMA, number 6 to list out the required items. You can see the material BD number 1 has a 2,950 outstanding quantity. We click it to list out the comparison of inventory. Click here to check out the quantity distribution of each order. And there has outstanding quantity. Click here to make a plan to request a purchase. Click here to confirm the plan. Now, a new purchase requisition document is created. And the status of material has also updated. Okay, let's go to the material purchase order to fulfill the purchase requisition. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find the purchase block. Click it, then click the material PO to go to the order interface. Let's import the purchase requisition document. Go to the top right corner, click the option, and then click Import Purchase Requisition. Select all the requisition items, and then click the Complete button to import them into order. Let's go to the first tab to select the supplier. Click here to select the supplier. Okay, let's go to Products tab to update the unit price of the item. For example, 1 cent. If the quantity does not match the minimum order quantity, click here to update the quantity. For example, 600 pieces and 2,400 pieces. OK, click the top right corner to close the pop-up dialog. The next tab Shipment to input shipment information if applicable. The next tab is Purchase Requisition. It is listing just imported requisition items data. The next tab is Reservation, but it's not available until an order is approval. The next tab is Reminders, but it's not available until an order is created. The next tab is Upload, where you can upload relevant documentation files related to the order. The next tab is Price Compare. You can compare the price between current order and master, and prevent too high or too low. After that, we can save the order and get a new order number. OK, let's approve the order. OK, let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want no more detail, please find the video from information tag in the top right corner. Now, we go back the order and review the reservation data. Click here to open the Reservation tab. Since this is a pre-order purchase and does not relate to any manufacturing order, so none of the reserved quantities is marked in the system. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.